it's Nikki and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video that is going to be all about unboxing my Bibbidi box for October. So this is my second month of doing the Bibbidi unboxes. I got one for Christmas last year and then I decided in October that I really wanted to get them because they have some really awesome exclusive items that you can only get through Bibbidi. So I jumped on the bandwagon. I will leave my Bibbidi playlist down below for my unboxing from last month, but I can confirm that I will be doing it at least for November. I'm trying to decide if I should do it for December. I probably will. So yeah, end of that story. Talk a little bit about Bibbidi. If you don't know, there are many different price ranges for boxes that you can purchase. I have the Ultimate Magic Box. This one is $119 a month plus shipping, and you also will always get more than what you paid. Like, your value of items will always be more than $119 or whatever your box price is. When it comes to selecting your items in your box, you can be 100% surprised. You can tell them very detailed of what you want in your wish list. They do release a list of all the items they have for the month that you can select that could possibly be in your box. And then there's also your preferences. So you can write down everything you like, everything you don't like. So if you do want to be surprised, they at least know a little bit about what you like and what you don't like, or even what you already have. So if I already have a lounge fly, I'm gonna let them know all the lounge flies that I have, so then they don't send me another one. Also with Bibbidi, you can select if you would rather have more expensive items and less items in your box. I say yes for that. I would rather have a more expensive item and have less items, which is probably the case with this month because this box is very small. It is the Ultimate Magic, so I'm very excited to see what is in my box for this month. All right, let's jump right in to see what is in my Bibbidi box. So right on top, you are always going to have your packing slip. This is the same one that was last month, but we're not going to look at this yet because these are spoilers. We don't want to see what is in our box. We have to wait. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. Ooh, so right on top, I do see. So, full disclaimer, I'm opening this box on November 1st. And I got this box before Halloween, and now I'm really wishing I opened it beforehand, but that's okay because it's Halloween every single year. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited I got these. Okay, so let's look at the first item. They are earrings from BaubleBar. So if you don't know, BaubleBar has tons of Disney earrings. They have a huge Disney line, then they have a Disney Parks exclusive line. I'll leave a couple of my favorite ones down below, but these are the ghost. Here are the ghost earrings. They have little tassels and they are so adorable. Oh my goodness. I love these little guys. I'm reading it. These ones are the Disney Parks collection. So you can see they have the little pink sticker on the back. So these are Disney Parks and Resort exclusive items, which they will always let you know that with that little sticker. These are so cute. And I do want to add that with the BaubleBar earrings, they are very light. So even though they look large, the earrings do not hurt my ears at all, and they're very comfortable to wear like all day long. Okay, let's look what our next item is. So there's something that's hard, and I'm pretty sure it's a mug. But let's just go into that. Let's just dive into this one right here. Let's just dive on in. Okay. Pretty sure this is a mug, like 100% this has to be a mug. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, now I'm like really wishing I opened this before Halloween, but that's okay. Again, Halloween comes every year. Oh, that's adorable. So it says, I am a Sanderson sister. I am a Sanderson sister with all of the Sanderson sisters on it. I love Hocus Pocus. Hocus Pocus is one of my favorite Halloween movies. I don't have a lot of favorite Halloween movies. Hocus Pocus is definitely one of them. And actually, fun fact, last Halloween was the first time that I watched Hocus Pocus. So, very new Hocus Pocus fan over here. Let's open. Our next item looks like a keychain. It is, and this is a Disney Parks exclusive item. And so it says spell, or under, what does it say? Under my spell, and then it has the cat. One more item. Ooh. These ones are so freaking cute. I do remember putting these on my wish list now, and they are Halloween ears, and I'm pretty sure there is a bag, or was a bag, with this print. And I love the Loungefly ears. They are a lot more comfortable than like the regular park ears. These ones are the park ears and they're fine. But out of the Disney ones and Disney Loungefly ears are way more comfortable to wear in the parks. Alright, so then the final item that I got in my box this month is Miko and Flint. I think that's how you say Flint. But I'm putting stickers on my laptop and I am so excited to add this little one to it. So those are all the items that I got in my box this month. Now we're gonna go ahead and look at the packing slip. So my custom decal sticker was $2.50. My Disney Hocus Pocus faces in ceramic camper mug was $16.99. My Disney Parks exclusive Bobble Bar earrings for Halloween were $65. I know these ones are expensive. My Disney Parks exclusive Hocus Pocus Binks gold keychain was $12.99. And my Loungefly Disney Spooky Mice Candy Corn headband ears were $30, which is a total of $127.48. So again, my box was $119 plus shipping, and you 100% get more items than what you spent. So much for watching today's Bibbidi Box unboxing. My favorite item was definitely my Bobble Bar earrings. I really do love my ears, okay, and my bug. But I would definitely say that my little earrings are my favorite. I have been keeping my eye on these guys, and I just never went for it, so I'm glad I got them in my Bibbidi Box. Now, in the comments down below, which item I got in my box was your favorite. Do you get Bibbidi Boxes? I will also leave a couple of my favorite YouTubers codes down below. You guys can get a free sparkle box, and I think $7 off your first box if you use their code, so definitely take advantage of that. Maybe one day I'll be able to have a Bibbidi code myself. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up so that lets me know that I should still do these Bibbidi unboxings. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Lots of fun videos are coming. More Disney vlogs very, very soon. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you real soon. Bye!